This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today I'm going to show you guys the variations and transitions that you can do for side baby freeze. But before I start, I would like to take this moment to thanks to our video sponsors, Catbeast. So for those of you guys out there who want to customize your hat or your cap, do check out catbeast.com. I'm going to put the link on the description below. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the video.